All right, so straight up the best part about the new CreatorCommerce embedded dashboard is the ability to make forms on the fly. So most people in influencer marketing think of forms in the context of a recruitment form. You know, you apply, you provide some details about why you want to work with the brand, you fill out some social handles, and you're really just trying to get context for somebody to approve you. But what happens once they get approved? Like, how do you actually conduct a meaningful collaboration full of content and a sales funnel that drives conversions? That's where CreatorCommerce forms come in, where you can issue an activation form upon approval to say, hey, you've been approved, let's get started, here's your invitation, where you can actually collect information that gets data pulled into your storefront that's going to actually give them something to promote, get those customers who click those links, give them something that feels novel, that disrupts their typical shopping patterns. And we have actually 4 types of forms to make that possible. So we now have an onboarding form, which is just your initial invitation form, a collection form, which is just ongoing forms to make collections and build out the store if you're a high SKU curation forward brand. Product forms, a little bit more tailored to more getting into CPG, where you maybe only just have a few products, so you want them to go deep on products and attach to products, or custom forms if it's really miscellaneous. Maybe you're working with B2B affiliates and want to get business information from them, etc., etc. So what's really simple about this is that you can, let's just start with a custom form, just to make it generic. When you build these forms, you can just give them a little title, description, blah, blah, blah. Choose which tiers. In this case, in this demo, we're using Shopify Collabs tiers, people who are enrolled in Shopify Collabs tiers. You can choose which tiers this form is going to be eligible for. These are the folks who can get access to this form, who get emailed that form automatically to fill out. And then you can actually just go on and select different form fields you want to collect. And this is going to pull from any custom fields you've set up in the custom form builder, which is just, custom field builder, which is basically fields that you want to store basically custom data. So maybe I want to collect logos, because I'm working with B2B folks. Maybe I want them to upload a custom banner. Maybe I want them to, give me custom copy because I want them to write what the hero header on their landing page is going to be. So with each of these, I can add a little field label, field description, whatever that is, blah, blah, blah. And then when I'm ready, I can actually just click save here and make that form, and then go ahead and turn that form on in the top right hand corner here. What this does for my affiliates, for these types of forms I'm making, is that if I go into this dashboard as a creator, I'll refresh this because it's a new form I just created. And me, for example, if I'm Brett, who's this example affiliate in this case, I can now see that form appear here in my CreatorCommerce store editor, where next time I'm popping in here to edit my store, I'll see this form that's sitting right here ready for me to actually go fill out. And so this is obviously just test data here, but me as an affiliate, I can go through this kind of guided process and upload that logo I just mentioned, or go upload that banner, or finally just give that little hero header, for example, in which case that data is going to be consumed, pushed into my storefront as an affiliate, and in full circle allows me to really participate in that merchandising process. So that's just a little snapshot at Forms 101, where we support 4 types. They can all be built directly in the CreatorCommerce dashboard with custom settings on these fields, custom settings on the welcome page, and